Welcome to today's meditation session. Sit in a comfortable position, eyes closed, palm facing upwards. Today we will see how we can remove fear from our body. Any kind of fear that you remember from your childhood which is troubling you a lot, and it can be a same kind of problems, same kind of fears with the person that you are enduring with. We will remove the pattern. Let's start with it. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in with a count of 3. 1, 2 and 3. Take a deep breath out with a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath in with a count of 1, 2 and 3. Take a deep breath out with a count of 1, 2 and 3. Feeling more relaxed, feeling more peaceful. Now remember the day when you were finding that kind of situation around you. You had all that situation which is troubling you in that period. It can be any kind of memory that is stored in your mind. Bring out in front of your eyes and imagine it in a TV. Now take a remote in your hand and increase the volume what you can listen from that. Feel that emotions right now. Based on that emotions, you might be worried about a person, you might be worried about a thing, you might be worried about people. Make them more weird, make them more loud. You are hearing all those things in that moment which has happened at that point of time. Now I want you to reduce the volume of that picture. As you reduce the volume in your remote, feel it as if you are doing right now. Imagine it is in your high right hand and you are reducing the volume of the things which were told at that point of time in that fear. As you do this, there is a sudden spark in the TV and it has been bursted out. It had been broken into millions of pieces. You are removed with all those images which was there, which was creating a hustle for you for having those fears in your mind. Those fears have been removed right now. Now I want you all to start begin it again. Even if this kind of situation comes in your mind, you will only say one thing: if that is my person, if that is me. If it is you, what you have done, you won't have been worried, right? You would take care of yourself. In the same way, you can take care of others also. It's okay to fear, but it's not okay to be having that kind of stress in your mind. So let's remove it off. Slowly and gently breathe in and breathe out, and relax your muscles, relax your brain, relax all kind of hustle, all kind of fear in your mind. Feeling more relaxed, feeling more blessed. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Rub your hands and place it in your eyes. Open your eyes when you feel like. Hope you loved this meditation session. Do share with your family and friends. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.